In QR code.js, create a new function QR code generator. Now let's get the input text the user have entered in the text area with JavaScript. And save it in the user input variable. Now let's create new variable QR code. The QR code function takes two arguments. The first one will be the element where we want to render the QR code, and the second will be the text user have entered and a default value of which we want to generate the QR code. The size of QR code, which will be the height and width of that QR code, and the color dark of that QR code and color light of that QR code, and the last will be the correctness level. And set that correctness level to high. Now copy that function and send on click call to that function on generate button. So let's check whether it's working or not. Open that index.html file, enter some text here, click on that generate button, and we got this error because we have not provided any link to that JavaScript file in index.html file. At the bottom of a body tag, let's add the link to that QR code library and that QR code.js file. Now let's try again, refresh it, enter some text here, click on generate button, and we got this QR code. On hover effect, it shows the data stored in that QR code. Now we have to align that QR code image in the center of that block. Come back to Visual Studio Code editor. In the side we will generate the QR code again. Copy that class and replace it with this one. Now if we try again, and now the QR code will be in the center of the block.